in Indiana, Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Gusty westerly winds expected this afternoon into early evening. Gusty winds will develop this afternoon in the wake of a strong cold front. Westerly wind gusts will peak around 40 miles per hour with isolated gusts up to 45 miles per hour possible. Gusty winds will be capable of blowing about unsecured outdoor objects and down some tree limbs. Use caution if traveling in a high-profile vehicle, especially on north to south roadways. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio.